welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox a brand new Mi trimmer. So let's start. At first I have to cut this one, then this side. I have ordered it 1 week ago and it reached today. The main box, as you can see, Mi beard trimmer IP7X7 washable body. It has 40 length settings, so this will be very useful, and 90-minute cordless use. I think this is really high from other trimmers. Other has I think 30-minute, 60-minute. This has 90-minute, and self sharpening blades. And let's see what this box contains. As you can see, there is a user manual, power cord, trimming comb, travel pouch and cleaning brush. The main MRP is written here 1499, but I have bought it for 1200 rupees. So let's break it, open it, what is inside. As you can see, really nice box. And first got a very nice bag. I really like this one. There is the logo of Mi also. You can see, you can carry it easily. The packing will be very nice with this bag. And then comes the charge. This charging port, you can see. You need a adapter to it. This is the charging port cable. And then comes a little one to brush the things, and this is the actual trimmer. So here it is, black color, and look at the, as I on it, this is the thing. You can see 40 length settings are there. You can really maintain whatever you want. There are 3 charging buttons, and this is the port. As you can see, you can do this, and this needs a adapter. So this is very nice, and it looks really handy, quite heavy I think from other trimmers, but it is okay. Let's see, we got anything else. I think there is one more thing left. It is stuck inside. This is the extra one. You can use it whenever you want. So that's about it. These are the things I got. This is the main one, and this bag is very beautiful, and the thing, and this is for cleaning and adapter. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, you can buy it in this period of lockdown. And so keep subscribing my channel. Thank you very much.